Hi, I'm Tamiko from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to install the Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat forward-facing with the latch system. The Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat rotates from rear-facing for a face-to-face connection with baby to get them in and out of the car with ease. Before you install, you'll need to know how to use the turn feature. The turn levers are located underneath each armrest. You only need to use one to turn the seat. At the same time, squeeze the blue trigger and the gray lever and rotate the car seat. You'll hear a click, which means that the seat is secured in position. Remove the infant inserts because you can only use those for rear-facing mode. Make sure your car seat is rotated to the forward-facing position. The arrow should point to the orange and green label indicating forward-facing. Unhook the tether from its storage location and place it in the front of the seat. Remove the lower anchor connectors from the storage position at the base. When you close the door, make sure the leash is on the outside. Extend the lower anchor strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling the strap. Route the lower anchor strap through the orange forward-facing belt path. Make sure that the strap is flat and not twisted. Recline the car seat using the actuator at the front of the seat to one of the 4 forward-facing positions. If your child is under 25 pounds, you must use position 2 or 3. Place the car seat in the back seat of your vehicle forward-facing. Slide the car seat until it touches the vehicle seat, making sure that at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Make sure that your vehicle is on flat ground. Check your level indicator to make sure that the bubble is within the orange range for forward-facing. Route the tether strap underneath the car headrest, and we'll attach that later. To expose the forward-facing belt path, raise the headrest up to the highest position and undo the snaps on the seat pad. You may need to move the harness straps out of the way. Open the SnugLock lock-off by using the gray lever. Route your latch strap behind the SnugLock lock-off. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Remove slack by pressing down on the center of the seat and pulling the free end of the lower anchor strap. You may need to feed the free end back through the belt path to get better leverage. Close the SnugLock lock-off. Snap the seat pad back and lower the headrest. Attach and tighten your tether. Check for tightness at the forward-facing belt path by moving the seat side to side and front and back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, open the SnugLock lock-off, remove more slack, and close the SnugLock lock-off again. Finally, check your level indicator to make sure that the bubble is still within the orange range for forward-facing. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just above the child's shoulders for forward-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness by pulling on the strap at the front of the car seat. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.